So nga naman gyud nga halos mga Filipino dili man gyud ganahan magminyo. Ganahan na sila na okay lang kung mag-live-in, o okay lang na single parents lang sila, no? So, I think ato nang istoryahan ka na episode be.
Hi, this is Owen, and this is IMOHA Podcast.
So atong istoryahan ang kaminyuan, but before that, let's hear our sponsors.
Una pa kay ganahan katunon pero napakay buhaton ang IMOHA Podcast lang ang imong paminawon. Basta maglimpyo, magluto, maghugas, maglaba, magkaon, mag-inusara kanina podcast para sa IMOHA.
So kung kabantay mo na nga naman gid na halos mga Pilipino or halos mga tao, no, or in our generations, no, na dili naman ganahan magminyo. So kung ikaw magani na minyo nakakaroon, no, na naminaw ka na episode or asa ka naminaw ani sa YouTube or sa Spotify, then please dili ni para sa imuha, para ni sa mga tao na mga single parents or mga single mom, single dad, and also mga tao nga live-in lang sila, no. But before that, no, unsa di Bisaya si live-in, no? Kanang live-in ba? Kanang para sa iyo ang live-in na to. Kanang hanap, no?
Di ako susuko, isisigaw ko sa mundo para sa'yo. Ang laban na to.
So mao na ang live-in, no? Mahilig ta ana pero nga naman jud. I think one of the reason po na dili ta magminyo, it's because of culture, no. I think this is the number one. This is very powerful, and this is really a strong reason no ano dili kita magminyo. Tungod siguro na halos tanan sad na dili ganahan magminyo, no. Kumbaga gaya-gaya lang pud sa height, ano. It's because nakita na to sila tita or sila mga ate or sila ni kinsa ba na, ano, na happy naman sila silang life as a single parent or as a kanang inana ra gyud. So I think ato sad na siyang kanang masunod man gud nato na, no. Kung kaya nila, kaya sad nato, so wag inana lang po ng culture, no. It's because of the culture. Siguro usa sa nagina sa reason nga no dili ta ganahan magminyo. And usahay man sad good na magpakita lang gud ta, no, na we are a strong and independent person. So I think usa na siya sa reason nga no dili gid magminyo ang tao, no. And also kanang kabantay ka nga sus kani magud akong asawa buliyagon kani yung banang buliyagon. So anytime pwede na ako na siya biyaan, anytime pwede na ako siya ilisda, no. So muna siya ang mga tao na ganahan na gid sila na mag single parents sila, or ang uban na ganahan na gid sila na nagis sila anak lang na wala sila pares, no. And also ganahan na gid sila pud uban na mag-live-in, no. And also because of our culture, no, dili gid sila pwede magminyo is because of the same-sex marriage, no. I think we all know na dili gid na siya pa legal sa ato, and hopefully I don't know of their decision about that. So I think that will be the other topic na pud siguro about the same-sex marriage, but also that's one reason nga no dili gid sila pwede magminyo, no. And also ang uban dili pwede gid magminyo kay minyo na pud daan, no. Dili di wala pa sila na annul, wala pa sila na unsa pa na, no. So I think that's also one reason, and that's really a very strong reason magad in terms of culture na ang hisgutan, no. So and also the second reason, I think this also really a strong and a very kanang powerful reason as well. It's because of family, no. Because ang atong pamilya lagi sa una mo na atong mama na alang sa pagminyo kay wala pa ka nakagraduate, pag-graduate lang nimo, di ba? So sa baka makaminyo. And then karon wala man nakagraduate, then wa nagminyo, nag-live-in lang. So I think equal lang kani ana si mama dili pwede magminyo kung ipaka-graduate, then same pud pwede ba di ko mag-live-in, di ba? So mo na siya, and I think that's also one reason. And also ang uban mahadlok lang gyud ni sila, no, na biyaan sa ilang pamilya because of the family mo na sila sa una na basta wala sagod na magminyo na ka, biyaan ako nimo ato lang kasi mohang pamilya. So usa sa na sa reason nga ang family dili siya ganahan na magminyo kag sayo. It's because maybe of the influence of the drama in the TV, no. So usahay inana mo gina. And also so natural gina siya sa mga Filipino na family oriented gyud ta tanan, no. And bisag pila na ka anak nato, no, or pila na ka anak ng mga naa din ha, or na pila na ka family, no, naagi pa ta sa usa ka balay. It's because that's our culture, and I think it's a lot of kanang big advantages, but also kung namo sa usa ka balay because ang gasto okay ra kayo, no. But also po napoy mga disadvantages pag mag-usap mo tanan. And also kani pong kuan, no, si ate lagi, no, na kung nabuntis man, and then muna naglagot ka sa lalaki, kung ikaw igsuon naglagot ka sa lalaki, ang uban sa naglagot ka sa imong papa tungod kay gibiyaan mo, or tungod sa mama nagibiyaan mo. So naabot tayo na hater na dayon mo, 'di ba? So kasabot na kita na, but mo lagi from there dinha na to mga kuan po. It's because of again the family, and also because of the culture. And muna siya no, ang mumugay siya akong makita ko na kita ba sa gahimo sa mga batanon karon, di ba? So like for example, katong mga sa una ng mga karang tao na moana din sila na sus lahi bagig kay mo na generation karon no. But to think ba yan, no? Sila ba ang gabuhat sa atong generation? Or same po na kita ba sa gabuhat sa generation sa ato ang mga anak pohon. So I think that's the reason nga family also is really a big factor kung ano dili ta ganahan magminyo, no? And I think maybe because of our ancestors ago or from the generation sa before the mga generations because inana nga to ang na namata no because of that one and it's because of the family. And I think not really about the families, you know. So I know the culture is very important, is very strong, and as well as the family, no. And I think also financial is really also a big factor. Dili lang about the family, it's also the financial status, no. Kung nakapamati mo sa akong mga episodes sa una about eskwelahan, sa rason ng mga muundang ang mga estudyante, it's because of the financial status. I think money is really a part of our lives already. I think sometimes it's really so powerful than our lives. And kung nakabantay mo, sa una, single pa ta, minimum ta, di ba? Kung karon nagminyo, minimum gihapon. So di may pang di ba magminyo, di ba? So kung hingon siguro ta, increase din na kung magminyo, di ba? So may pag-increase lang siguro tag sweldo no kung magminyo ta no. Well, anyway, mo gamay man po nimong taxes no basta na lang po kay anak or pamilyado ka. Talk to your partners about this one, especially in financials and kaning tulo. Unsa na siya sa mga mga factors po da. Actually, the last one is actually about confidence, no? And I think this is just like a few thing lang good siguro. It's because kanimo good ang confidence man good, it will kanang react the three factors man good. So dili ta ng tao na komportable magminyo, no? Sometimes ang uban lang gyud na hunahunangan lang gyud nila na kasi di sila kabuhi sa pamilya, no? And again, mo factor in pam gihapon about sa family, mo factor gyapon to ang about financial, mo factor gyapon to about culture, no? So but nagiubang mga tao sa gyud na dili sila confident mo build og family bisag dato sila. It's just their choice na gyud. Nagiubang mga tao inana. And then katong mga tao na mga confident, no? I think nagminyo na pud sila, no? Nagito sila yung mga kuano pod na sila kwarta, na sila self-confidence, and I think because of their culture side and the family, I think nagminyo na pud sila, no? Ang uban nagmanghay, ang uban nalipay. So ana ra gina siya duha na duha pa gina ang mga rason na ano. Ana gina ang kuan kinabuhi. Well, take this thought na lang into consideration, no, that whatever reasons you have, or maybe your financials, or maybe your confidence, no, or maybe family, or cultural, no, or whatever unsa inyong mga rason, no. I think if you are already in a relationship for 5 years or more, or 3 years or more siguro, I think you are committed with that person or with that family, or you're committed with something already, 'di ba? And that's marriage is all about. So I think you're already considered as married. Because nag-live-in gyapon mo, and ang lang is the legalities na lang pud siguro sa inyo, no. And I think if you are 27 years old and above, or maybe you are matured enough, no, to think about, and you're smart enough to make those decisions to get married or something, but no, I mean there's nothing wrong with a marriage man siguro, as long as kabalo lang kakaunsaon mo na, no. And I think that's also one thing that I really want to point out. It's because same about the good sa katuang akong eskwelahan nga episode. Again, balik ko na katong episode ng eskwelahan is because of the parenting bang gihapon to ang akong gisulti ito. So ano na siya, no, because you have already your commitment with the something, ana magusiligo ng millennial ko ng generation. Because I'm in a millennial generation, so common gini siya sa ato, common siya sa amuha kung dili ka part. Sorry, no. So kung millennial ka, I think it's really common sa ato ang inani nga dili magminyo is because of our kanang personality na inana nga ato ang the way ta mo think, no. I think it's really time to change that one, and show your commitment. It's because committed na ka na sa imong family, na imong lutuan imong family, or manglaba ka, di ba, or sahay sugaton nimo imong asawa, no, or ilaag nimo imong family. So whatever, you have already your commitment in your family. So I think that's also really kanang powerful when you show commitment to the family, regardless of the reason of katong upat. I think commitment is really the cure for that one, no. So just in case, no, if you want us to know kung unsa gyud imong rason kung ngano naglisod ka or naglisod kag minyo, or tan-aw lang nimo na magminyo ka ba or dili, no. use the comment box if you want to show some kanang interaction sa amuha or sa ubang mga tao, no. I will be putting my reason as well kung ano wala ko, because I'm part of the millennial and I'm part of what I saying, no, sa kaning episode, is because I'm a single dad. And if also, no, if ganahan ng ganan nimo kaning episode, until now naminaw pagyapon mo ani na time, I think you're already part of the community, no. Feel free to show your support in this community. The follow or the subscribe button is already there for you, and just hit that one when you're ready, no. I know sometimes dili kita ready ana, but I know if you are ready, the button is already there, no. And kung ano siya, before I end this episode, no, as always, I will leave you some thoughts. Muna siya akong thoughts na lang na act like the boss of yourself, no. If nakay ganahan ipabuhat sa imuhang kaugalingon, then of course imuhang buhaton, di ba? But if dili nimo buhaton, then you should fire yourself because you're the worst boss and you are also the bad employee. So dili ka pwede din ha, no. So please show commitment to the things you are already committed or the things you really want to commit. Just the commitment is the key of everything. Okay? Alright, so salamat sa inyong pagpaminaw. Anay kalimti, basta manghugas, maglimpyo, maglaba, magkaon, maginasara, kanina podcast para sa imo. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.